Hey guys, Keith here, and I want to talk about Bitcoin. It's going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to give my honest opinion on which way I think we're going to go from here. It's been a few days since Bitcoin had made its move up to 35K. Time to cool off a bit. I wanted to see if we were just going to blast through up to 40 real quick or no, but so far we're just stalling. We're around 33.6 right now, and I just want to make, say my decision and just have an original thought. None of this, what I'm saying is based off of anyone else's opinions other than my own. And in my honest opinion, I think that we're going to go down from here. I'm not saying right now, we could still maybe keep bouncing up a little bit higher, maybe even get the push to 40K. I do think we could maybe get that, but I think when we're in December, we'll somehow find Bitcoin will somehow make its way I don't know how low it's gonna go, because we're actually higher than I thought we would be at this point in time. I honestly didn't think we'd be at 33K this year. I thought this, after this turn right here, when we're coming down, I thought this was it. But of course, right here, of course, right at the turn, where it turned right here is the fake news about the ETF. So clear market manipulation. It's not like I had a short or anything, so it's not like I got screwed. But it did deviate from what I was saying all year, which was, well, one was that I didn't think we were going to break this all-time high at 31.8, and I was also saying that by the time November came, we would probably find ourselves below this low. I thought we were going to come down here at this point. In my opinion, I thought this would be the first touch here, the second touch here. First bounce was huge, second bounce was not going to be as big, and then we were going to come down and finally break it on the third try. That's basically what I was saying. And then in November, December, we're going to get a sell-off, and the sell-off was going to take us down to 18 to 20, anywhere between 18 and 22K. So I thought we would maybe retest this wick right here. I thought we would retest it maybe, but if not, then I thought we were going to come down to somewhere around here. So I was wrong. So what I can say, my opinions right now may also turn out to be wrong, but yeah, I just want to say my original thoughts. This has no other people have input on what I'm about to say other than myself and what I've seen in the markets, and that is that this to me is a clear manipulation for a sell-off to occur. And I'm going to compare it a little bit to 2021, the first peak and the second peak, because this was clear Wyckoff distribution, the first peak, and everyone knows it. But I mean, Wyckoff distribution is basically manipulation. And this second peak right here to me was also manipulation. It was basically to get that one last, the retail, give them one last hope, take their money one last time, and then, start the downward terrible bear market, whatever. And I think right now we're actually seeing the exact same thing play out, where every time we keep coming up to these levels, everyone keeps getting so excited and they keep saying the bull market's back. And now that we actually broke the level, especially, everyone is saying the bull market is here. And I'm not gonna lie, even I'm kind of feeling the FOMO. I almost want to tell myself that the bull market is here because I've waited so long, and not gonna lie, I've just been broke for so long because I held most of my coins all the way down. I almost did the amazing play of selling it in March, January through March. I almost saved myself. I sold everything here. I sold everything down here, and then I rebought it back in right here. And then I just held it all the way back now. So didn't actually save myself, but I think it was good lessons to learn. I'm not obviously I am slightly upset that I lost a lot of money, but I think it just made me I just think it matured me a lot in the market, so I'm not too mad about it. But we'll see in the next bull market if I'm able to like take advantage of it correctly. So that's why I make these videos, because I really want to make a lot of money in the next bull market, but actually like sell. Like you have to sell to make money, right? So make sure we sell at the right time. But anyways, like now that we're up here, all I've been hearing online is bull market's back and we're in the bull market, and maybe we are in the bull market. I don't know. I really don't know if we're in the bull market, but especially because of this massive, like this was just manipulation. It's not even like Bitcoin did this on its own. Like if Bitcoin did this on its own, then I would think that, you know, there is a good chance we're in the bull market, but this was clear manipulation, just like how up here was clear manipulation. And if I've learned anything about the markets, it's that when people are most excited, when it's like people are finally starting to believe, and I'm telling you, like even I'm almost starting to believe that it's the bull market. Like I'm actually so close to flipping bull. That's when it's the top, and you have to realize we're still in 2022. We're not even, or I mean, we're in 2023. We're not even in 2024, which is the halving year. And you have to realize the bull market year is actually the year after the halving year. So we're still like, I mean, this year's almost over, but we're still at least a year away from the bull market year. Like the actual bull market. The halving year is a good pump. Like you do get a massive pump in the halving year. Like definitely want to be in the market during the halving year, but if there's only one year you can pick out of the four, it's the post halving year, the bull market, the real bull market year, right? This was the post market or post halving year, and we're not even like in the pre-halving or in the halving year yet. So I'm just gonna say it. I think we're gonna come back. I think this is a fake out, and I think in hindsight, we'll be able to look back on it like in like a couple of months and be like, know which way it went. I don't know if it's actually gonna go down, but my call right now, I just want to like say it, is we're gonna go down. We could still push up higher, like maybe even get to push to 40K, but it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm talking like a few months outlook from now. How is the chart gonna look? Even if we get the push higher, I still think we come back in to this range. Of course, the first time we come down here, if you want to take a quick trade, probably will work out. Like I do think if we do come down back to 31, 32K, we would get a bounce. But I don't think it would hold, and I think we would end up coming back down. I don't know how much lower, but something that I've been saying for a while was the only way we were gonna break either up or down from this range, because this range was like 250 days or something, 220 or something. It was a massive like time. And I was saying this for a while, the only way we break through it is if we get a candle like this. It has to be like a candle that just slices quickly through it. If we start hovering like we did here and we keep trying to push, like try to hit it, like we're not gonna break it. It had to be a quick move, really quick, basically instant, and that's what we got, and that's how we broke up. And I was saying it, regardless of which way it went, it had to be a candle like this. Like if we went down, it'd have to be like a quick red candle that just slices through. And we did get that slice, but we actually went to the upside, which I wasn't expecting. But that being said, I think that now this makes it even more likely that if we do come back down to 25K, I don't even know if we do, but if we do, it makes it even more likely that we just slice through it now, because we're just so high up, right? So like now we're coming down, but like since we're coming down from such a high level, like we're just gonna be coming down way faster if we do come down, and then we'll just be able to completely slice through it, because the only way, in my opinion, we're breaking this is if it's a slice. It's not gonna be like we touch it and then like we start hovering it. I don't think we're gonna break it if we do that. I mean, we could still break it like that, but I think it has to be like a quick slice down. And this push up makes it even more likely that if we do start coming down, it's gonna be like a really fast downward movement, and that's exactly what we need to break this range. So that's my call. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Just to be clear, my call is basically this is a fake manipulated top. We still could go higher, but I don't really know if we will. I don't actually think we will. I think 35K was the top. And we're just gonna come back down, maybe get a bounce off this if we're lucky. If not, we're just gonna come down. Like when we start coming down, it's gonna start like picking up in terms of like volatility and like how quickly we're coming down, and then like we'll eventually just slice through it. Like at one point, like we're just gonna get like this candle, but it's gonna like take us actually straight below it. So that's my call. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.